In this video we're going to learn how to share our tracks on the TackTracker Cloud. This is a great feature that allows people, each with a tracker, to share their tracks without having to use email or having to bring all the trackers together into a central location. Before we do anything on the cloud, we need to log in. I'm assuming you already have an account, but if you don't have an account on the cloud yet, just go to a web browser and go to tacktracker.com/cloud and click the Add User button on the right hand side. So now I'm logged in. Let's go to the track loader. Search for a track called Demo, and this is the track that I wish to share. So I'll select that track. Now I have two buttons here. I can either send tracks to the cloud, or I can get tracks that have been sent to the cloud, maybe by other people, and bring them down into the track loader. In this case I just want to send the track, so I click Send. And it looks for matching races. So in fact there was a race called Race for Abandoned which matches this particular track. Do I want to add the track to the race? In this case no, I don't, so I'm going to say Don't Add. It also matched a race called Sample Race 1. Do I want to add the track to this race? Yes I do, so I'm going to add the race. And I'm also going to add it to Sample Race 2. So it uploads the tracks and the job's done. So if I now go to the web browser, here I am on the TackTracker Cloud on my home page at TT Demo. If I view Sample Race 1, then here I find my track Demo User has been added to the race. And that's really all there is to it. Let's look at another example. Bringing up the track loader, we'll find a track that actually doesn't match a race on the cloud. So let's send this track, and instead of matching a race, it's asking us to specify the access to our track, whether we wish it to be public or friends only. I'll choose public for now. So when a track doesn't match a race, it gets stored in a raw tracks database in the cloud. And there are two ways at which we can get it back, or others can get it back. We can get that track using the Get button here, and that'll load the track back down into the track loader. Here I'm looking for a track with a start date and span and location that matches the track that I've selected. And so it should really round trip and bring that track that I've just sent back, which in fact is what it's done. The other way that I can load tracks that have been stored to the cloud or shared to the cloud is here using this Get Tracks Matching Race. So if there are any races that anybody else has sent to the cloud that have not yet been added to a race, this tool will fetch the tracks and add them to the race automatically.